The Metabo DS 208-inch bench grinder is a reliable machine which is perfect for industrial applications. This tool is perfect for welders or fitters, as it is capable of cutting drill bits and lathes, and shaping metals prior to fitting and welding. Now take a look at the features of Metabo DS 200 bench grinder. Sturdy machine for industrial use. Low noise and low vibration, maintenance-free induction motor. Motor for single-phase alternating current. Robust die-cast aluminium protective covers. Protective cover bayonet lock for quick and simple disc change. Dust-protected emergency stop switch. No volt release switch, prevents unintentional startup after power cut. Large spark protection guards for optimum eye protection. Vibration-dampening rubber feet for safe support. What are customers saying about Metabo DS 200 bench grinder? Check out the customer reviews now at bestbenchgrinders.com.